everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm obsessed with chocolate Oatly. I know I've mentioned this in so many videos now, but it has become my 11Z snack. So after I run out of flour, and flour is like an absolute commodity right now, you can't find it in like any shop, and I was baking and me and Alex were having 11Zs and we were sitting down having whatever I baked the previous Sunday. I can't find flour anywhere, so I've swapped having chocolate milk as like my 11Zs kind of snack because it's kind of sugary and stuff. I'm really thoroughly enjoying it and I don't know if I can go back because it's just wonderful. So I thought I'd do a more of like a vloggy kind of trying to camera style video because you guys have been asking for some homeware kind of tours and updates from the flat for a while now. Like I always get requested it. I haven't been feeling too inspired by my own space, so I haven't felt like sharing too much. We've had some new stuff happening in the bedroom and I've got some new prints on the wall, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but I'm feeling a lot more positive about the space, and me and Alex are really excited to kind of change up our space. We also might be moving, but me and Alex are both really excited about changing up the space and feeling a little bit more inspired. I feel like because we've both been working from home, we've kind of figured out what we like and what we don't like in terms of furnishings, what we need, what we don't need, what works for us, what's functional and practical but also looks good. We've had a lot of those moments where we've just discussed what is kind of working for us in the flat, and I feel like we've needed a little bit of a change up. Things were getting really stale, so we've had a little bit of an interior change up. Are you guys ready to see the new prints? Because I don't think you are. They're so colourful. You guys are going to be like, oh, what on earth is going on in the flat? But you know, guys, I needed a bit of colour in my life. Everything was a bit stale and a bit monotonous, so we needed to add a little sprinkle of colour in the flat. I am so excited to show you guys. I can't believe I've actually ordered colourful prints, but here we are. So these are the new prints. What do we think? They're from a brand called Unique, and I've worked with them once before. This one up at the top, the squiggly line person print, that one I did get gifted through a collab, but that was probably around 2 or 3 years ago now, and I haven't ordered from them since because I've been a bit of a Desenio girl. So every time Desenio had a code on, I would order loads of prints from there, but you're kind of limited in terms of the prints available on the website. Like they don't update them all the time, and I was finding that I wasn't getting exactly what I wanted, which was more like abstract, colourful, retro style prints. And I think that I've nailed it with the Unique prints. I absolutely love them. I can't believe that I love them this much. They just add a little pop of colour and vibrancy to the whole room. So I thought I would show you guys a little bit more detail. So I'll leave the links for these below if you fancy them, but I love this big one. It's just so pretty with all the different colours, very warm. I also went for obviously a lot of moons. There's a bit of a celestial lunar theme going on, which I really, really like. So there's lots of suns, lots of moons. Again, this one was gifted to me a while ago, but I think it fits in with the abstract style prints for now. I do have another order coming, but that hasn't arrived yet, but I just thought I'd show you these anyway. This one is my favorite, like out of all of the prints, this one is my favorite. I love it so much. Look at those colors. They are so beautiful. And then the final one is another little sun. It's kind of like this one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure a lot of these were done by the same artist, but I'll link them below in case you want to shop them. I'll also link everything I have on the wall anyway, just because I get asked all the time where all my mirrors and stuff are from. So I'll link those as well, but absolutely love this whole setup. Just in case you were wondering, that little hanging planter and that little hanging planter are from Primark, and these two macrame hangers, they're both from Amazon. So I'll leave the links down below for those if I can find them as well. So yeah, I really love my new prints. I feel like they're going to add a little something different to the backgrounds of my photos and my videos, and they already make me so happy just having them on the wall. And yeah, I'm just so happy with them. They didn't take that long to come. They took like a week to arrive, and yeah, I had absolutely no problem with the delivery, and I'll link them all down below. Other than that, I'm gonna take you guys into the bedroom and show you guys what we've been doing in there. Okay guys, so we are in the bedroom. One thing I just wanted to say is, even though we've done a lot of the room up, I have some prints going up across the room from another order that hasn't arrived yet, but I've decided not to replace the prints on this wall. I think they look really nice as they are. So I'm not going to replace those as of yet, but that might be another home update if I decide to replace them. But I really like these prints. I've had them for absolutely ages and they still do a really good job. So we had a really old chest of drawers here from IKEA. I think it was the Malm set or something that was in there, and they were too small for the space, so they fit like really narrowly in the middle of that, and they were taller, and it just had a bulk either side, like a big gap that looked really bulky and horrible. So we opted for this lovely Santiago chest of drawers from Dunelm. These were gifted, these drawers. My god, did they take a lot to put together. I am genuinely not joking when I say this tested our relationship. Putting it together took a whole day, and we did it wrong initially. Like, the holes were on the wrong side, so we had to take it apart and put it back together. And you know when they say, like, putting flat pack furniture together is something you have to do before you get married to test your relationship? It is one of those things. It took ages to put together, but it is beautiful. Absolutely love the chest of drawers. The drawers themselves are on wooden runners, so they're a little bit like squeaky and stuff, but we don't mind that. We like kind of vintage vibe to it. I think it's quite charming. And then Alex bought me some peonies, which are so cute. They were a surprise in the mail when we were putting this thing together and we were arguing. They arrived, and they sort of arrived at the perfect time to kind of, yeah, diffuse the situation, let's say. So they are stunning. This print is also from Desenio. This jar is like what my nana gave me with some sauce in it, so I've just reused it as a planter for the pampas grass, and that hanger's from Amazon as well. Onto our bed. These are the prints that I'm not really replacing. I think they're fine as they are. I really like them, and I've kind of grown really attached to them, so I haven't really changed those. I've also got some pillows on the bed. I love these bed sheets. They're from Next, and they're all like, the material's really, really nice. I've had them for ages as well, and they just stay really, really nice and fresh. I love our pillows in this room. The big long one is from River Island, that one's from Matalan, and the other two are from H&M, and the bed frame is from ASOS. Oh, also both of our bedside tables are from Matalan Home, and I always get compliments on them. They are very, very cute. So yeah, I've got a mirror down here I've been using to take some selfies and stuff. A few planters, they're both real. That one's a rubber plant, and that one's a Calathea, I think that's how you say it. And the planter, that one's from Matalan Home, and that one's from made.com, and the table is also from Matalan Home. This is the only window we have in this room, so the light is fairly limited. So we've just added a little poof there, so you can actually sit on it. So when the sun comes in, you can like sit there with a book, which I think is really cute. It's also an Ottoman, so you can fill it with stuff, which I love. That's also from Dunelm. And we've got a little planter up there. Both pieces are from Matalan Home. Prints are from Desenio. And I always get asked about this mirror. The mirror is from IKEA. I'll leave links for everything down below anyway. The last new piece in this bedroom is this console table, which is my new favorite piece of furniture that we have in the whole house. It is just so beautiful. It is also mirrored, which I love. So cute. The console table and the rug down here are from Dunelm. That's from Matalan Home. I asked where this mirror is from as well. This one's from The Range, and it was super inexpensive, but it's really, really cute. I really, really love the whole look of this area. If you didn't know already, this is where the desk was. So we had a little dressing table desk thing that went here, and we just sort of thought, even though I did it up and I redid it and I added prints and I got a new chair, I still wasn't using it. So we were both like, oh, it's just taking up space. And I feel like this is a much better use of the space for us personally. We have a lot more rooms, a lot more floor space, and the room just feels a lot more airy. Almost forgot to show you guys this, but like opposite our bed, we have like a gallery wall that's Japan themed. as well, which I really love, like waking up and looking at this little gallery wall. I really love it. We really want to go to Japan at some point. It's like our ideal destination to travel, so it's a little reminder that one day we'll get there. It just looks so cute to wake up to in the morning, and just cute little prints. Okay, so those are all the home updates I have for you guys at the moment. I will try my best to do some more interior stuff. I know you guys like to see it, and I will do my best. It's difficult when I'm not happy with the space and I'm constantly moving the space. I don't want to show you a space and then completely change it. So maybe I should do a few of those sort of vloggy bits where I talk about how I'm going to change the space and then film me changing the space. That would be good. I don't know why I didn't do that for the bedroom. But if you have any suggestions of interior types of content that you would like to see, please drop me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!